This is my final project by Faith Baker. The two products I chose costing between $50 and $100 are Versace Bright Crystal Perfume valued at $95 and the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy Eyeshadow Palette valued at $52. The two products I chose costing between $500 and $1,000 are the iPhone 11 at $849 and an espresso machine at $899.95. My two products costing between $1,000 and $9,999 are a king-size Tempur-Breeze mattress for $4,999 and a Crystal Explorer kayak at $1,499. My two products costing $10,000 or more are a Nissan 370Z at $32,810 and a Yamaha VX Cruiser HO Jet Ski at $11,799. I found an online application for the position of a cashier at Target paying $13 an hour. So case one, I will be plugging in the value of my products costing between $50 and $100. So Y equals 95 plus 52, which is 147, and M, which is my hourly pay, is equal to 13, X equals my hours worked, and B equals 50 for $50 that I already have in savings. So plugging these values into my equation, I get 147 equals 13x plus 50. Solving for x, I find that x equals 7.5 hours. Here I've graphed the equation y equals 13x plus 50, and the point that I've plotted has the coordinates 7.5, 147, which describes that I must work about 7.5 hours to earn $147. Case 2, I will be using the total cost of my products between $500 and $1,000. So Y will come out to be $1,748.95. Plugging my values into the equation, I have 1,748.95 equals 13x plus 50. Solving for x, I get that x equals 130.7 hours. Graphing the same equation as before, I have the point plotted with the coordinates 130.7 and 1,748.95, which describes that I must work 130.7 hours to earn $1,748.95. For case 3, I will be plugging in my total value of the products costing between $1,000 and $9,999. So Y will come out to be 6,498. Plugging my values in, I get that 6,498 equals 13x plus 50. Solving for x, I find that x equals 496 hours. The point that I have plotted has the coordinates 496 and 6,498, which describes that I must work 496 hours to earn $6,498. And finally, case number 4, I'll be using the total of my products costing $10,000 or more. So Y will come out to be 44,609. Plugging my values in to the equation, I get that 44,609 equals 13x plus 50. Solving for x, I get that x equals 3,427.6. The point that I have plotted has the coordinates 3,427.6 and 44,609, which describes that I must work 3,427 hours to earn $44,609. For this project, I made a list of the things I wanted most within the 4 different price ranges. I then found an online job application for a cashier at Target. I formed the equations plugging in the known values for the variables. Using Desmos, I graphed my equations in order to show how many hours I would need to work to buy the things that I want. I felt relieved after completing my work because it was slightly time-consuming. From start to finish, the project took me about 3 hours. I would get to my job driving my car, which is a Pontiac G8. I would have to work 4,061.8 hours just to buy these 8 things. So in conclusion, I should probably stay in college and not be a cashier at Target for the rest of my life.